With deep joy, we celebrate Easter, the great feast of the resurrection of our Lord Jesus. As we celebrate Easter, once again we are made to experience the great love of God our Father for us and His marvelous power in raising Jesus from the dead. I wish each one of you a truly joyful and grace-filled Easter season.